Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Typeform in WordPress. So let's just begin. So first of all, you can see, let's just say you are on your workspace. So this is where you basically start, and what you need to do is simply head over to a form that you want to put inside your WordPress. So let's just say this is the one, right? So if you head over to your share section, you will be able to see that it is saying to upgrade. By the way, you can get a huge discount using the link in the description below, and you can get like 60% off onto their paid plans, which is going to be enabling you to get the embedded feature, so you can copy the code for this form and put that right in your WordPress account. So if you head over to your basically share section, you will have that copy embed option, so you can share this to your WordPress site directly. So you can add your content onto your form, you can do all of your editing and stuff, and once you are finally able to complete it, you can share it onto your WordPress. But you're going to be needing a pro plan for that, so you can get 60% off using the link in the description below. So make sure to give it a try and you will have it done.